Competency refers to a criminal defendant's ability to participate in their case. Specifically, a defendant is competent if they are able to understand the criminal proceedings, to consult with their attorney, and to participate in their defense. Competency does not refer to a defendant's criminal responsibility or their understanding of their acts as wrong at the time of their offense. Typically, a defendant is found incompetent when they are laboring under a cognitive deficit or untreated mental illness or chemical dependency. In most cases, competency is fluid. With the exception of defendants laboring under a permanent cognitive deficit, most defendants may be restored to competence through treatment, programming, and supervision. If a defendant's competency is challenged, the court will order an examiner to meet with the defendant, review relevant records, and provide an opinion as to whether they think the defendant is capable of understanding the criminal proceedings, consulting with their attorney, and participating in their defense. If a defendant's competency can be restored, the court will resume their criminal case, and the case may proceed to trial or settlement. If a defendant cannot be restored to competence despite efforts and time, the court may dismiss the criminal charges. The court may also refer incompetent defendants for a civil commitment screening. Civil commitment is a separate legal action. Competency and commitment are not the same.